Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how can you earn $982 without investing any money. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money. First of all, I will make application and then I will monetize that application using Unity platform. Do not worry about coding knowledge. I will give you HTML code to make your own app. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on Unity platform and you can click on this icon. Now you can click on go to dashboard button. You will have to create account on this platform. You can click on create account button. You can create account using your email address, or you can continue with Apple. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on new button. Now you can type your project name. You can click on create button. Now you can scroll down. Here you can see Unity Ads monetization option. You can click on launch button. Now you can click on enable ads button. You can select your mediation or you can select this option. I will use Unity Ads. You can click on next button. Click on next button. Guys, if your application is live on App Store or Google Play Store, then you will have to provide here your App Store URL. My application is not live on App Store yet. I'm going to select here this option. Click on Add Project button. Here is showing game ID for Apple iOS users. Here is showing game ID for Android users. You can click on Finish button. Now you can click on Add Units button. Here is showing Add Units. Here is showing interstitial add unit for Android users. Here is showing interstitial add unit for iOS users. Rewarded Android, rewarded iOS, banner Android, banner iOS. Here is showing game ID. In next step, what you will have to do is you can go on my website. You can click on this 3 line. You can scroll down. Here you can see I have shared HTML code for tic-tac-toe game. I have shared HTML code for note-taking application. HTML code for currency and measurement converter. You can click here to open this page. Guys, you can check description of this video to visit on this website. Here you can see HTML code. You can copy this HTML code. Guys, you will have to copy this HTML code accurately. In next step, you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can use this platform to make your app for Android phones and tablets. Here you can see this platform have more than 5 million daily users. You can click on sign up button. Now you can type here your name. You can select here your country. You can type here your email address. You can type here your password. You can click here to accept its terms of service. And at last you can click on send button. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to sign in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type here your app name. You can select here your app icon. You can click on choose from gallery button. Here you can see there are lot of app icons. You can select any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type here your app description. You can click on next button. Now you can click on create an empty app button. You can click on go to app manager button. You can click on this plus icon. Click on menu type button. You can select here this option. Click on Save button. Now you can click on Sections button. Click on Create Section button. You can select your HTML option. Select here this option. Click on Next button. Now you can type your section title. You can type here your game name. Now you will have to paste here your HTML code. You can visit on this website. You can copy this HTML code. Now you can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can paste here that HTML code. You can click on Save button. Now you will have to monetize this application to earn money. You can click on Ads button. You will have to paste your Unity Ads game ID. You will have to paste your placement ID of banner ads. You can visit on Unity platform. Here you can see game ID for Android users. You can click here to copy this game ID. Now go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can paste here your game ID. Paste your Unity Ads game ID. Now you can visit on Unity platform. Here you can see banner add unit ID. You can click here to copy this add unit ID. You can visit on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform. You can paste your placement ID. Similarly, you can paste your interstitial placement ID from Unity platform. You can visit on Unity platform. You can click here to copy this placement ID. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can paste your placement ID. Now you can paste your rewarded placement ID from Unity platform. You can click here to copy this placement ID. Now you can paste your placement ID. You can click on Save button. Now you can click on Download a button. Here you can see download option. You can click here to download this application, or you can scan this code to download this application. I'm going to run this application in my Android device. Here you can see this game application is looking great. You can also make this kind of game application. You can monetize this application using Unity platform. Unity platform will show advertisement on your application. For this advertisement, Unity platform will pay you money. Sometimes Unity platform do not show ads. You can use Google AdMob to monetize your application. You can go on 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and you can visit on Ads section. You can paste your ad unit ID of banner ads from AdMob. You can paste your ad unit ID of interstitial ad from AdMob. You can paste your ad unit ID of native ads from AdMob. You can paste your ad unit ID of rewarded video ads from AdMob. And at last, you can click on Save button. Google will display advertisement on your application. For that advertisement, Google will pay you money. You can earn thousands of dollars using Google AdMob. If you want to learn more about Unity platform, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.